Hi, I'm Jay Dihabay, a BSMT student, section STRQ. We focus on core maritime subjects like navigation, ship operation, safety protocols, and international maritime regulation. The program prepares students to become competent deck officers and future leaders in the global shipping industry. Research is a vital in BSMT because it drives innovation and safety in the maritime sector. It fosters critical thinking, enabling future seafarers to adapt to evolving regulation, climate concerns, and operational efficiencies, ensuring safer and more sustainable shipping practices worldwide. By bridging theory and practice, this course ensures I'm not just a crew member but a forward-thinking problem solver ready to tackle challenges of modern seafaring. Because research-focused subjects prepares me to become a successful seafarer by honoring my ability to analyze data, troubleshoot operational issues, and implement evidence-based solutions. Thank you and God bless.